What kind of water comes from air conditioners? The water that comes out of an air conditioner is produced through a condensation process. The system takes in warm air from the environment, and as it cools that air, the moisture it contains condenses into water droplets. These droplets collect and are released through a drainage pipe or container. Although it may sound like distilled water, it technically isn't. It is condensed water, which contains no nutrients and may carry small impurities, dust particles, or residues from inside the unit or from maintenance products. For this reason, it is not drinkable and should never be consumed. Is it good or bad for plants? It can be useful, but it's not ideal. Air conditioner water can be used to water some plants, but it should never be the main source of irrigation, as it provides no nutrients. It can be considered neutral water that helps moisten the soil, but only as a supplementary option. It should never be used on edible plants, since it may contain contaminants that we don't want to ingest. Which plants can be watered with it? Some plants tolerate this type of water quite well, especially those with low mineral requirements. Plants that can occasionally be watered with air conditioner water include succulents and cacti, such as aloe vera, echeveria, snake plant, etc. Ivy, lawns and ornamental shrubs. For these plants, occasional use, especially during hot weather, does not pose a risk and can help maintain hydration. Plants that should not be watered with this water. It is also not recommended for delicate ornamental plants, such as African violets or orchids, not for aquatic plants or species with high mineral needs, including hyacinth, rosemary, myrtle, pond plants such as water hyacinth or duckweed. These plants rely on minerals naturally present in water, which air conditioner water does not provide. Precautions to keep in mind. Before reusing this water, it's essential to clean the air conditioning unit regularly to prevent the buildup of bacteria, dust, or chemical residues. It should never be the only watering source. The best option is to alternate it with rainwater or tap water, ensuring plants receive essential micronutrients. If the water looks cloudy, oily, or smells bad, do not use it at all. Other uses for air conditioner water. Besides watering certain plants, this water can be reused for household tasks such as cleaning floors in outdoor areas, washing gardening tools, washing the car, refilling toilet tanks, cleaning bathrooms. It's a practical way to reuse a resource that is usually wasted, as long as it doesn't come into contact with food or personal hygiene. Air conditioner water can be useful for some plants when used in moderation and with proper care. It works well as a complementary resource or for cleaning tasks, but should never replace mineral-rich natural water. Used responsibly, it helps save water and promotes more sustainable habits. If you want to keep learning about plant care, don't miss the playlist we've left right here. Tell us, will you reuse air conditioner water to water some of your plants? See you next time, ecologists.